Yes. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Lex from Bacolod City. Yes. And in today's video, I'm going to introduce to you a new brand. A new perfume brand specifically here in Bacolod City. Yes. So, if you are interested, please keep on watching because I'm going to present to you the GA fragrance. Eto na guys! GA fragrance. Before I show to you the products of GA fragrance, I'm just going to give you a background. So last time, parang nag-launch sila sa Stone Hill Suites together with LGAT Travel and Tours. And yeah, it was a blast. And binigyan kami ng mga products ng GA fragrance. So, eto, i-review ko siya ngayon. So, it's my first time to do a perfume vlog or perfume review-ish vlog. So, please guys, please be considerate. So, ipapasan ko muna sa inyo nung pananulan ko sa games nung nung nag-launching, yung mga flowers-ish ba. Para siya, it's bath soap, bath salt, and scented candle. Mukhang magagamit mo to siya pag travel and etc. So, ayun, nakapack pa rin siya guys. Hindi ko siya i-open. Kasi perfume review naman talagang gagawin natin ngayon. Okay, so yung una nating i-review is yung dalawang perfume. Actually, nalimutan ko yung pangalan guys. Pero this is for her. So meaning, pang babae itong dalawang perfume na to. Kumuha ako ng dalawang pang babaeng perfume kasi yung isa bibigay ko kay nanay at isa yung bibigay ko sa aking sister. So, bahala na sila kung anong pipiliin nila. Pero, let's try and test, no? If you're a guy and you wanted to smell this kind of smell sa girl. So, ay, parang siya guys. Parang cherry blossom yung smell niya. Very perfect talaga guys yung smell niya kasi meron mga perfume na very strong. And this is talagang for girls talaga yung smell niya. Parang light lang, sweet lang, cherry blossom lang, yung parang ganun. Ito yung color guys. And then yung next is, ito yung second na try natin. Make sure lang natin na sa kabila naman natin isi-spray para walang mahalong water or something. Alam guys, hindi ko ma-distinguish kung ano yung smell niya. Pero para sa akin, this is really good for 30s and up. Yan. Kasi medyo strong siya. So, guys, let's proceed naman sa mga panglalaki nating products. Yan. Ang ganda ng This is Winter Wonder. Ang ganda ng ng spray bottle niya. Ay, okay. So yung Winter Wonder guys, para siyang good siya for sporty kind of person. And yes, you can feel the winter vibe niya na it's cool, it's babango, it's icy na feeling, yung ganon. So, yeah. Siya? Ito. Para kang baby. Kasi para siyang baby powder-ish. Oo. Wait. Oo. Parang ganon. Parang ganyan yung feeling. So, sa mga baby boys dyan, I recommend this. Winter Wonder Room and Linen. GA Fragrance. Of course. And last is, ito yung nasa square na bottle. And this is inspired by light blue. Ay, ang ganda ng pangalan. Favorite color ko kasi yung blue. Feeling ko, magiging favorite ko to for sure. Oh my God, ang bango. Ang bango. Parang alam nyo yung yung parang menthol na, basta ang bango. This is the kind of perfume that I really want. Parang light lang siya, pero mabango siya. Alam niyo yon, hindi siya masakit sa ilong. And pang-porma. Yeah, so if you're going outside the mall, if you're going to meet someone, going for a date, of course, we really need to be mabango, 'di ba? It's first impression last. So, yeah, everyone, please do check out GA Fragrance and their wide selection of perfumes because their perfumes are really lit. There is a perfect fragrance for you, so it's your personal preference. So please go ahead and check JA Fragrance, give their Facebook a like, and of course, please don't forget to click subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to ring the bell. Of course, hindi ko yan dapat pagkakalimutan yung shameless plug nating data. So, thank you guys for watching this perfume review. It's my first time. I'm really sorry if I'm not that particular sa mga ganito. Pero yeah, I really love this video now. I really love JA Fragrance, and yeah, see you in my next vlog.